Hey folks, I just wanted to put a little disclaimer in front of this video. If you're dealing with the steering wheel, you're going to be dealing with the airbag, and it is potentially a projectile. Could explode and hurt you or those around you. So make sure if you're taking off the steering wheel, make sure you're going to disconnect the battery first. Wait some time. I waited like half an hour, but you should only need like 5 minutes. Maybe touch the contacts together, the leads, so that it discharges. And make sure that you store it so that the surface is up and not the other way around, so this is facing down. So if it explodes, it's gonna hit something, launch, all that good stuff. Don't want that. So do at your own risk, and I hope this video helps you. Alright folks, we're gonna be replacing this steering wheel with this steering wheel in the sweet piano black trim. It's an 03 S40. Never done this before, so we're kind of going to wing it, and you know, if an airbag goes off in our faces, at least we got a video out of it. So let's start out. There's this little spot right, let's see if it focuses. No. Yeah, you can see the dimple. If it focuses. Yeah, right there. And what you do is you put a screwdriver up there, and that screwdriver comes up here. It's supposed to lever this contact point, I guess. I'm not sure, I guess it's, yeah, you can kind of see it go up, and that'll release the airbag, and then you remove some airbag doohickeys, and then after the airbag doohickeys are done, you can remove the center nut, put it on your wheel, and you should be back in business. So let's see how this goes. You can see on this one, maybe, that it takes a lot of oomph to actually do that. So there we go. Okay. Aha! Okay, we got it. Now they say to pull it out and be very careful. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like in here. So you got this this rubber thing on the over there. You gotta pull that across so you release those wires. And now you can look at it. I think it's, you pull out these guys first. You pull out these guys first. Okay. Yeah, you pull out these guys first. These little tabs. Pinch them, pull out. Pinch them, pull out. This is the horn up here. I think there is, trying to figure out how that attaches. Trying to lean back as much as possible in case there we go. Let me eject it. And now, storage wise, you put it down like this. Connection down somewhere. I'm gonna put it in my back seat so that if it ejects, it explodes up and not down, creating a projectile. So we're just gonna gently lay that down in the back and pray it doesn't go off. It's an 18 in the middle. And it's supposed to be in a lock position or not. That is on there tight. So, okay. And they say that you want to loosen this, but you don't want the nut to come off yet, because you might have to give it some oomph to actually pull it free. And in that case, you might snap this wire out. So be careful. I'm using my knees to kind of press against it right now, so the wheel doesn't move too much. Okay, the nut's loose. A couple threads left, but not off. And we're gonna pull. Huh. Why isn't that coming off? There we go. Just had to give it an oomph and start rocking it back and forth. Okay. So, take your nut off. And while I'm at this, we'll say that that's top position. And that's the top. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just marking on there where they line up. I also did the top of the wheel too. Can you see that? In case I fuck it up. So let's pull that off. There is a connection in the back, which we don't want to fuck up. So let me show you the back side here. As I pull it off, there is the rest of the goodies that make up your wheel. Now, I don't know what these guys mean, but I think if it's center and it's on the yellow, you're in good shape. But I don't know that, so I am going to try and mark this. So, let's see here. What are we going to mark? Get your paint pen. Corner of this connection here has to line up with that corner. If I line it all up, that corner will be vertical again. And also, look at the top part. I'll slide it slightly so that it comes down, still in the grooves. And now, I've also marked, I don't know if I can get the camera there, right there, where the spinny dealie actually is. So now I can confidently take off the wheel. Don't break your connections. That would be bad.
Pinch this. Where am I? How do I get this out of here? You don't want to break the spring, guys. It is very important that you don't break this shit right here. Alright, family copper is really expensive. So we're just going to slide these through where they came from. One at a time.
One, two. Okay. One wheel off. What can you see? You can see that after all that, this thing spin. So let's line it back up. That's where we gotta get to. Got our new wheel.
Slide piece 1 through. I should do that one first. An extra jingle dangle for the horn. Slide piece 1. Come on. My neighbors just got here, so I'm probably thinking, what the hell is this guy doing? Put on the cool kid piano black steering wheel, guys. Cool kid piano black wheel. Okay. You're in. Where's our new connections?
Now, the hard part of lining everything back up. And all we have to go on is making sure that that yellow gets lined up and that top connection kind of is vertical to where our center line was. So, I'll line that up as best I can. Not quite. Other steering wheel fell down. But we're in, guys. Should be in. So now you torque this guy back down. It's 43 Newton meters.
Grab our 18. Grab our bolt. There's 40. 1, 2, 40. 1, 2, 3. 40. 1. Alright, get this down. Think tight first. It's worth noting that center mark does not spin. It is on there sturdy because it's part of the whole rack. You do not have to worry about that guy spinning. But I am going to pull my knees to this while I do this final tightening because I don't know what that ultimately might do. The wheel position. Can we get in there?
Okay, it's there. So, wheel is in, not moving. You grab your airbag back. We're going to connect it in reverse order as we put it in. Get your horn. And that went in like that. Ooh. Okay. Get your pink eye. Actually, I need to take a look at the picture. I don't remember if these were in like that or if they were in like that. So I'm gonna stop the clip, stop recording, and check the playback real quick. Alright folks, confirmed that the the jobbies are positioned so that they're coming from the top. And while I was looking at the clip, I apologize. I was blocking a lot of this nonsense with my arms. So, let me get these so that when you're looking at it, it goes like this, vertical. They fit in vertically, like that. And like that. Now they're connected. And you grab your rubber jobby that is there on the old one, not the new one. I mean, it's on the wheel itself. Slide that guy across, and now, yeah, the tricky part is getting everything lined up, and then you do a firm press. I'm just gonna take my screwdriver though and check it.
I don't know if you can actually do this. I don't remember being that loose, to be honest. Maybe it was. Let's pop it again to make sure. Yeah, okay. That came out really easy. Okay, so now the tricky part is, now what you want to do.
Now that you think you have your airbag all together, you put the key. The key's already in. Put the key into position 2. 1, 1, 2. And the moment of truth is you go and you put the battery back on. See what happens. So car's gonna blow, or we have successfully replaced it. So let's grab our ratchet, grab our 10mm for the battery, and let's see what happens.
I'm gonna have to go, folks.
Okay, so the airbag didn't go off, which is good. Dare I say we sit in the front seat and see what happens? Turn it off. Lean back real far. Turn it on. Yo, we're in good shape. So cool. Thanks for checking out the video, folks. Peace.